Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a rotating drain cleaning nozzle. This particular one has a 3/8 male connector on the end, so that means it will allow you to push fit onto a standard quick release high pressure hose, so without having your gun in between in effect. So yeah, that's the 3/8 male bayonet connector. Now this is quite a special drain cleaning hose. As I say, it's an 050 nozzle, so it's rated up to 4,200 psi, which is 280 bar, at a maximum of 36 litres per minute. This one has 3 rear facing nozzles. You probably can't quite see them there, but the actual brass section here will turn, that will move around and rotate. So the way the water comes out, it sort of comes out as a corkscrew. So it drives itself along the drain, but it will make sure that because of the motion of the nozzle as it spins around, that it cleans every part of the inside of the drain. So that's the 050 3/8 male connector rotary drain cleaning nozzle.